What is tracking error? Tracking error now what? It is divergence or deviation of fund return from benchmark return in the following. Sir, the fund has a benchmark. When it deviates from that benchmark, it is tracking error. It calculated on the basis of corresponding benchmark returns versus average net asset value. So the mutual fund has a net asset value. When that value should be match with the benchmark return value. If it deviate from this, there is a tracking error. Reason for tracking error is transaction cost, fee charged by the AMC, fund expenses. So the transaction cost, whatever happening, that may increase the fee. AMC, annual maintenance charges, what they charge may increase or decrease or deviate from it, or the fund expenses, what is happening to maintain the funds, that may causes some point of deviation, that may causes for the tracking expenses, tracking error. The tracking error should be near to zero to replicate the return to any benchmark index. How the benchmark and the asset should be tracked? When you calculate the tracking error, it should be nearly to zero or zero, so that you can say it is the benchmark to this asset, this is a benchmark index for this asset. You can say exactly. If it are not able to come to the tracking error number to zero, then it is not a proper calculation. There is a mistake in it, or the tracking error is not valid.